Hello, and welcome to the second lesson of your pronunciation course. In this lesson, you'll learn about syllables and word stress. First question, what are syllables? Let's look at 4 words. Fast, person, beautiful, information. So, fast has 1 syllable. Fast. Person has 2 syllables. Person. Beautiful has 3 syllables. Beautiful. Information has 4 syllables. Information. Okay, let's practice. Listen to 4 more words. Breakfast, banana, tomorrow, university. How many syllables do these words have? Pause the video, think about your answer, and start again when you think you know. Okay, let's look at the answers. Breakfast has 2 syllables. Breakfast. Banana has 3 syllables. Ba-na-na. Tomorrow has 3 syllables. To-mo-row. University has 5 syllables. U-ne-ver-si-ty. The other part of our topic is stress. So next question, what is stress? Think about the word banana. Banana has 3 syllables. Do we pronounce all the syllables the same? Banana. No, we don't. We don't talk like that. 1 syllable is stronger. Banana. This is stress. If a word has 1 syllable, you don't need to think about stress. But if a word has 2 syllables or more, then 1 syllable is stressed. That means 1 syllable has a strong, clear pronunciation. Let's practice. Listen to some words and try to find the stress. I'll read all the words twice. Fast, fast. Person, person. Beautiful, beautiful. Information, information. University, university. Can you hear the stress on the words? Go back and listen again if you need to. If you think you know the answer, then let's look. Fast only has 1 syllable, so it doesn't have stress. Person has 2 syllables. The stress is on per. Person. Beautiful has 3 syllables. Stress on beau. Beautiful. Information has 4 syllables. Stress on may. Information. University has 5 syllables. Stress on ver. University. Stress is very important when you speak. If you don't pronounce the stress or if you pronounce it incorrectly, it will be difficult for people to understand you. When you write down new words in English, show where the stress is. Make a mark over the stress or underline the stressed syllable. Okay, let's do some more practice together. I'm going to read 5 words. Can you hear the stress? Today, minute, interesting, expensive, communicate. Can you hear the stress? As usual, go back, listen again if you want to. If you know the answers, then let's look. Today has 2 syllables, stress on day. Today. Minute has 2 syllables, stress on min. Minute. Interesting has 3 syllables, stress on in. Interesting. Expensive has 3 syllables, stress on pen. Expensive. And communicate has 4 syllables, stress on mu. Communicate. If you see a word, can you know where the stress is? Is there a rule? Not always, but sometimes there are rules which can help you. Let's look. Nouns or adjectives with 2 syllables usually have the stress on the first syllable, like person, breakfast, minute. Verbs with 2 syllables usually have the stress on the second syllable. Forget, begin, decide. Words with 3 syllables usually have the stress on the first syllable. Interesting, beautiful, anyone. But there are a lot of words with 3 syllables where the stress is not on the first syllable. So that rule doesn't work all the time. And finally, words with 4 or more syllables always have the stress in the middle of the word, not on the first or last syllable. Now, like I said, these rules don't always work, but they can help you with many words. Okay, so if anything is not clear, you can go back, review the video, practice again. You can watch the whole video or just review the difficult parts. If you understand everything, then try the exercises. Good luck, and I'll see you at the end of the lesson.